Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. We from Group 2 would like to present the result of our work with the title Accident and Emergency Adverb. Before entering the material, I will introduce our group team. I am Alia Nabila as moderator. There is my friend Meriska Zahra Chania, Melina Priyati, Nurohma, Putri Angelika Limbong, and Yasa Dwi Mulyani. Let's learn together and let's
Accident and emergency. Janet got an accident when she drove her car. Some people helped her and called an ambulance to bring her to a hospital. Now she is in the hospital. The doctor, helped by a nurse, is treating Janet. Finally, Janet's family comes and wants to visit Janet.
Janet mother. Hello doctor. We are Janet parents. How is our doctor?
Hello, we are taking care of your doctor, and she is now getting better.
My doctor does not have any serious injury.
Lucky her that she does not have any serious injury. She was traveling, bleeding, but we had got blood for her.
Can you tell us why the incident happened?
Some witness said she got the accident because of some trouble on the car engine. She could not brake, so she turned the gear.
It must have been
Don't worry, we have taken care Janet. Though she has not been conscious, her condition develops.
Thanks a lot, doctor. Can we meet our doctor?
Sure, you can meet her. The nurse will help you.
Thanks a lot.
please follow me.
Please follow me.
Here is Janet's room. You must wear this before coming.
Sure.
You only have 15 minutes to meet her.
But why?
She needs more resting time. Furthermore, her condition is not stable yet.
I see.
If you have any needs, just let me know.
Thanks a lot.
Works in a hospital. A basic first aid kit may contain plasters in a variety of different size and shapes. Plaster dalam berbagai bentuk ukuran yang berbeda. Small, medium, and large. Sterile, gauze dressings. Kasa pembalut steril ukuran kecil, sedang, dan besar. At least two sterile eye dressings. Setidaknya 2 pembalut mata steril. Triangular bandage, perban berbentuk segitiga. Safety pins, peniti. Disposable, sterile gloves, sarung tangan steril. Tweezers, pinset, scissors, gunting, alcohol-free cleansing wipes, tisu pembersih bebas alkohol. Next. Sticky tape, selotip, thermometer atau Preferable digital thermometer atau lebih disukai yang digital. Skin rash cream, hydrocortisone or calendula, krim ruam kulit seperti hydrocortisone dan calendula. Cream or spray to relieve insect bites and stings. Krim atau semprotan untuk menghilangkan gigitan dan sengatan serangga. Antiseptic cream, krim antiseptik. Painkillers such as paracetamol or infant paracetamol for children. Aspirin, not to be given to children under 16. Or ibuprofen, peredap nyeri seperti paracetamol. Paracetamol bayi untuk anak. Aspirin tidak diberikan kepada anak di bawah 16 tahun. Pouch medicine, obat batuk, antihistamin tablets, tablet antihistamin, distilled water for cleaning wounds, air bersih untuk membersihkan luka, a wash and a bath, mencuci mata.
Once you've had the injury or illness, you are not taken out of the wards until further help reverse in that time. Correct positioning of the casualty can aid recovery in the same way that poor positioning can very easily aggravate the injury or exacerbate the condition. Here are a few positions considered. Without airwear management equipment or technician conscious, casualties will be on their back. We can open their airwear with a simple head tilt, but this does not prevent furnace, bolt or saliva, draining down or coming up, vomitor bulb, and entering the airway. Any unconscious casualty, even with a suspected spinal injury, should be positioned onto their side because simply if you don't have any airwear, you don't have a casualty. Regardless of whether you call it the safe airwear position, recovery position, draining position, left lateral recumber, the three weather prone, we are going to flip them over. The safe air position is often called left lateral recumbent, especially in the US. There is sometimes Milligan position the casually on their left. The most reason and most plausible is significant for women in the latter stage of pregnancy when position the casually on tray rate will apply pressure from the fetus onto the superior vena cava, one of the two large vessels which return oxygenated blood to the heart, impeding circulation.
Other reasons include stomach curves to the left, so vomit won't have the ancestors curves to overcome. Stomach curves to left, so contents will be pushing.
Stomach curves to left, so contents on the plugation sphincter in the ambulance. Attendant can watch him better facing toward him. Improved ventilation given the right lung being slightly larger than the left and left main membrane, thus being at an angle. There is no real evidence for any any of these justifications should seem the many of these reasons given are as is of the way in verse 8. Lengthy historical cliches perpetuated because it is really easy to teach people what you have been taught rather than actually looking into what you are teaching.
Setelah Anda mengobati cedera atau penyakit, Anda tidak akan keluar dari hutan sampai bantuan lebih lanjut tiba. Pada saat itu, posisi korban yang benar dapat membantu pemulihan dengan cara yang sama seperti posisi yang buruk dapat dengan mudah aggravate the injury atau memperburuk kondisi. Berikut adalah beberapa posisi yang perlu dipertimbangkan. Tanpa peralatan manajemen jalan nafas atau teknik, korban akan mati di punggung mereka. Kita dapat membuka jalan nafas mereka dengan kemiringan kepala sederhana, tetapi ini tidak mencegah fluidia atau darah atau air liur mengalir ke bawah atau muncul darah vomitor dan memasuki jalan nafas. Setiap korban yang tidak sadar bahkan dengan dugaan spinal injury harus diposisikan ke sisi mereka karena cukup sederhana. Jika Anda tidak memiliki jalan nafas, Anda tidak memiliki korban. Terlepas dari apakah Anda menyebutnya posisi jalan nafas aman, posisi pemulihan, posisi drainase, rekumbentor lateral kiri, 3/4 rawan, kami akan membaliknya. Posisi safe airway sering disebut left lateral recumbent, terutama di US. Terkadang ada jarak tempuh dalam memposisikan korban di sebelah kiri mereka. Alasan yang paling banyak dikutip dan paling masuk akal adalah signifikan bagi wanita di kemudian hari kehamilan ketika memposisikan korban pada hak mereka akan memberikan tekanan dari janin ke vena cava superior, salah satu dari dua pembuluh darah besar yang mengembalikan deoxygenate bolt ke jantung, menghambat sirkulasi. Alasan lain termasuk 1. Perut melengkung ke kiri sehingga muntah akan memiliki kurva Anastra untuk diatasi. Perut melengkung ke kiri sehingga isi tidak akan mendorong terhadap sphincter di ambulan, petugas bisa melihatnya lebih baik ke arahnya. Peningkatan ventilasi, meningkatnya paru-paru kanan lebih besar dari bronchiu, batang utama kiri dan kiri berada pada sudut. Tidak ada bukti nyata untuk salah satu pembenaran ini, sehingga tampaknya banyak alasan yang diberikan adalah seperti yang sering terjadi pada pertolongan pertama, sebagian besar klise historis yang diabadikan karena sangat mudah untuk mengajari orang apa yang telah Anda diajarkan daripada benar-benar melihat apa yang Anda sakiti.
What is adverb? Adverb is basically most adverb tell you how, where, or when something is done. In the words, they describe the manner, place, or time of an action. Kinds of adverbs: adverb, 1 adverb of time, 2 adverb of place, 3 adverb of manner, 4 adverb of frequency. Adverb of time is to explain about when an event occurred. Adverb of the time answer the when or what time question. Adverb of time can be placed the beginning of a sentence or at the end of a sentence. Example, I have go to school now. Don't worry, she will talk to you later. I saw Sheila yesterday. Today, I see Bernie at the campus with Elvira. We moved into our new house last week. Done. Adverb of place to explain about where an event occurred. Adverb of time answer the where question, and generally, adverb of place can be placed at the end of sentence. However, the rule is not absolute. There are time put in beginning, or it can be in the middle of sentence adjusting the contents. Example, the kids are playing upstairs. The dog is in the garden. We're going to New York City on our school trip. It's very sunny but cold outside. I've li- I've lived here for about 2 years.
Adverb of manner to explain about the ways used in activity or event that occurred. Adverb of manner ensure how question. Adverb of manner in obtained by adding "ly" to adjective. Example: the toaster turns off automatically. I can speak English fluently. Let's have lunch together. He was driving carelessly. The boy rose quickly. Adverb of frequency to explain about how often an activity is carried out. Adverb of frequency answer how often, how frequently, or how many times question. Example: the children always go to school on the bus. I will never make that mistake again. Sometimes I still thinking about him. My mom